to his cabin and he'll start talking something positive and it all goes. Mr. Kale has been a boss which I have never found ever in my life before, this kind of a boss. So genuine, he's a workaholic. And after his, problems also, he never says no. I've called him at 2 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. And he has never, even said that why did you call me, what's wrong with you? He has always solved the problems. Anupama madam is like the epitome of coolness. She's so cool, so sweet, and she's also always very cooperative. Mr. Ponikar heads the admin department and he looks after each and everything regarding admin. I should not forget the operations department, Mr. Mukesh and the team, Rakesh, everybody here. And the most, I will say thank you to both IC and AI, narrow body, wide body, doesn't matter. Genuine people, genuine team, each and every person has given so much of love, respect, honor, support. Nitinji, every time always smiling, always, ma'am, we should do this, ma'am, we should do that. Everybody, each and every person here, दिल से, चाहे वो शिफ्ट में काम करता हो, चाहे वो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि ये लोग अनपढ़ है, ये अनपढ़ नहीं है, ये हमारे से ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे हैं. सल्यूट टू दीज पीपल बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो ये वर्कर्स है ना, वो पूरी एयर इंडिया की ताकत है. गाना गाने में नंबर 1, काम करने में नंबर 1. कुछ शॉर्टेज है मैम, ये आप फिक्र मत करो. मैंने ऐसे मेरे शिप में लोगों को शाहरुख खान का नाम दिया है कि शाहरुख खान है, मैं हूं ना, वो कर लेगा. सो आई हैव गिवन नेम्स टू एवरीबॉडी. मेरे वर्कर्स जो है, मेरे साथ जो टीम है, हर एक ऐसा कोऑपरेटिव जो एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट, मोहिते, ठाकुर, पंडुला, एवरीबॉडी, ऋतुराज, कल्मेश, ईच एंड परिता, सोनू, सबका मतलब एक एक का नाम सॉरी मैं ले नहीं सकती अभी, नहीं तो वो लिस्ट बढ़ता जाएगा. राजेश्री मैडम, पूरा अकाउंटिंग संभालना, वत्सला जी, माय गॉड, इट इज लाइक टास्क. I don't know how they do it. Dimple, our base manager is here. Thanks Dimple for coming. Thank you so much, Dimple. Thank you. And I have my very good friends who have, turned out here. Thank you so much for coming. It makes a lot of love effort to come here, all the way, especially for me. Whether it's Borivali, Powai, Marol, Old Airport, everybody is here. Thank you so much. अभी मैं गोपाल गुरु जी के लिए सिर्फ छोटा सा कुछ लिखा है, वो पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. May you always have work for your hands to do. May your pockets hold always a coin or two. May the sun shine on your window pane. May the rainbow be certain to follow each ray. And may God fill your heart with gladness to cheer you. Sir, it's been a privilege working with you, and now it's an honor helping you celebrate your retirement. जब कल परसों या एक महीने से मैं सोचती थी ये बोलूंगी, वो बोलूंगी, उनका रिटायरमेंट है, वाओ, ही सच अ गुड पर्सन. और कल मुझे पता चला मेरा रिटायरमेंट है. जो करो सरप्राइज मिस्टर काले, या मैं लोगों को फोन करके अरे माय गॉड, बिकॉज अब्दुल काले जी का मुझे रात को 10-11 बजे मैसेज आया, अमिशी कॉल मी. अभी 11-11:15 बजे, उनको 2 बजे काम के लिए डिस्टर्ब करो ठीक है, लेकिन क्या काम था पता नहीं. तो मैंने बोला सर यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम, डोंट हेजिटेट. पर प्रोबेबली हैड स्लेप्ट. वो 24 घंटा काम करते, सोते कभी मुझे पता नहीं. सुबह उनका मैसेज आ गया, अमिशी योर रिटायरमेंट लेटर इज रेडी. आफ्टरनून में आके कल रिटायरमेंट लेटर लिया, तो इन्होंने फिर भी इतना सब अरेंज किया आप लोग. थैंक यू सो मच. मेरे से कुछ भी गलती हुई हो तो मुझे माफ कर देना. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव यू ऑल.
संभले जीवन ताल में भटके सलहर में कमल संभले जीवन ताल में भटके आज नशे में सारा जहां है, आए शराबी मौसम बहकाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। मौज कोई साहिल से टकराए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रोक रहा है हमको ज़माना, दूर ही रहना, पास न आना। रोक रहा है हमको ज़माना, दूर ही रहना, पास न आना। कैसे मगर कोई दिल को समझाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Beautiful card, the Saini family, that is Selena, Tanush and Tarini. And it is a creative card made by hand. So I'm going to open this and let's see what surprise is in it. Wow! This card has 3 portions and 3 different cards inside. Let's see what the first one says. Oh, it's so beautiful. I like the way she's put the lace. After 3 decades of work is commendable and so deserving to wish you a happy retirement. Take every second to venture and broaden new horizons and enjoy your newfound freedom. May your days be filled with joy and ecstasy. God bless you always. Love, Selena. Thank you, Selena.
Welcome.
This is like beautiful blessings from my money guru. She's my money guru apart from my friend. Thank you so much, really. It means such a lot. So thoughtful. Now let's see the second one. So I'm going to see first who it is from. This is from Tarini. Okay, I'm going to read it out. I hope retirement brings you the chance to do whatever it is that you always wanted to do but didn't get to do. Enjoy your retirement and enjoy all of the exciting adventures ahead of you. Wishing you the best health, happiness and success on your new journey in life. Love, Tarini. Well, Tarini is on a flutter lot. So thoughtful. Now let's see the second one. So I'm going to see first who it is from. This is from Tarini. Okay, I'm going to read it out. I hope retirement brings you the chance to do whatever it is that you always wanted to do but didn't get to do. Enjoy your retirement and enjoy all of the exciting adventures ahead of you. Wishing you the best health, happiness and success on your new journey in life. Love, Tarini. Well, Tarini is on a flight because she's an air hostess with GoAir. So beautiful, Tarini, beautiful thoughts. Thank you so much. I would say thank you to Tanuj right now because Tarini is his beautiful wife. And the third one, of course, is Tanuj. Best wishes on your retirement, Amishi Auntie. One season, your life is ended and you are now stepping into the best season to accomplish all your life goals. Have fun as you do it. Love, Tanuj. Wow. So beautiful. I'm so moved. I'm so touched. I mean, nobody has ever done this for me. Seriously, and I never expected. When Selena opened the box and I saw Amishi written here on the cake, I was like amazed. I didn't know, it was a big surprise. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Love you all.